Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, so today I want to share with you two very odd additions into my collection because they're not technically perfumes, they're more like body spray, body mists, but oh my god, I love their smell so much, and I hope you will enjoy them too, guys. So the first one is from a shop that I've seen multiple times through Europe, but I've never really cared for that shop. And one time I was with my husband in another shop, and they had a candle from that shop. I smelled that candle and I was like, I want to smell like this candle all my life. This is my scent. This is my scent. This is me in a bottle. I don't know if you've ever experienced this with a fragrance, but it's magical. It's like you smell a fragrance and you're like, oh my god, I found you. I have found you. Here you are. You are mine. And this was a candle. And the shop is called Rituals or The Rituals. It's just Rituals. The shop is called Rituals. I think it was founded in Amsterdam. I may be mistaken, but I think it was founded in Amsterdam. So in the Netherlands. This made me go to that shop, and they have a very interesting concept. They have 5 different scents, and they have a lot of products for your body in that scent, like shampoo, like oils, I don't know, like a lot of products, but with that specific scent, like candles, for example. And I smelled their other scents and I didn't really like them, like I didn't really care for them. I have bought, the scent is the Ritual of Ayurveda. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So they are red, all of them are red. And I bought dry oil for body and hair. And I don't know if it's like the best oil. It's a bit better than the oil that I've had prior this. Like I've had oil from Pantene, I think. Because I've used it, I think, 2 times already, or 3 times. But the scent, you guys, this has only 2 notes, honey and rose. That's all. And I don't really care for rose, but this doesn't smell like rose. This is like a skin scent. This is like you just had a shower and you smell so nice. You just smell so nice. You don't have a product, so you didn't use any products. You just smell so nice. I've never experienced the concept. I've never understand people that were talking about skin scents prior this scent. This is so beautiful. And the candle smells just like this, so I don't know, they use, I think, the same oil for all of their products, I think, because they all smell the same. Oh, I love to spray this on my hair, and I've got also hair and body mist. And I love a good body mist. It's just... I could spray this every day. I have bought it, like, I don't know, less than a month ago. And I already have a dent here. This is amazing. They're a bit pricey, in my opinion, for body sprays. And they don't really project. Like, people will not be able to smell you. You will be able to smell you, and someone that will get very close to you will be able to smell you. But they are not like beast mode. No, they are very good when you, like, for example, for teachers, or for if you work in a medical center, or if you're a doctor. I think they're a bit pricey. But the smell, I could just stay here and smell this every day, all day long. It's just magical, guys. I've never experienced something like this. And I don't know, I didn't really like their other scents. Why? Why? Why this one feels so magical and it has a rose? Like, I'm confused. I could stay here and sniff it all day long. Ah, the oil is also. They smell the same. I like that every product in this line smells the same. So if you like a smell, if you like a scent, you can buy everything. This is super cool. Like a super cool concept. If you are going to be in Europe, I really encourage you to visit their shop. I don't know if they sell something in USA. I don't know. It's just amazing. I don't know. They are so good. Like, if you want a skin scent, if you want to smell amazing, but without even trying, I think you should try this one. They have like very small sizes, so you can try them, and this costs, let me think, I bought it in Poland, so I have to make this conversion in my head, but I bought it, I think it's 10 euros. It will be around 10 euros. Pricey, in my opinion, but I've paid for samples more. Just for samples. So yeah, and they have, I think, bigger sizes, but I wanted a oil, first of all, because I need oil for my hair, and I bought just this small size, but when I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna buy a full size. I'm very sad that they don't have perfume in this scent. Like, they have only body sprays, and they have perfumes there too, but I didn't really like those perfumes. I wish they had a perfume in this scent. I hope in the future they will create a perfume with this scent, because it's amazing. Love it. If you've been on my channel for more than 5 minutes, you know that I was looking and looking and looking for a caramel scent. And I was trying a lot of perfumes that were supposed to smell like caramel, but they didn't. Like, I've tried so many fragrances that had the caramel note in them. Multiple fragrances. And I was so sad because I couldn't find a perfume that smells like caramel. Until this one. Introducing Sticky Dates to you. Sticky Dates. Why this is a caramel scent? Like, the text is in Polish, so I bought it in Poland. And I didn't know that they have the text, they changed the text. I didn't know that, but I bought it from their shop, so it's official. I think it's not like a fake or something, and it's pricey. This one, I think, costs let me think, it was, I think, around 40 euros, but it's 200 ml. So it's a lot. You guys, this is caramel. I don't know why it's called Sticky Dates. It doesn't smell like dates at all. It doesn't smell sticky. It has caramel, benzoin and sandalwood. But this smells like the most delicious dessert. Like the most delicious caramel. I am a caramel lover. I love everything caramel. I love salted caramel. Like, salted caramel is my favorite note in food. I just adore salted caramel. And this doesn't smell like salted caramel, this smells like caramel. But you guys, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. Let me spray it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is amazing. This is strong, but not too strong. I've seen some fragrance reviewers talking about this scent on TikTok, I think just on TikTok. They were saying that this is a beast mode. Like, you only need one spray and you're good to go. No, let me be clear here. I tried to spray this just one time, walk in the air. Could barely smell it. 2 times, 3 times, 6 times I think I sprayed it one time. And when I sprayed it 6 times, I was able to smell it. But I think you need to overspray this one too. Maybe not overspray. But I have this problem with Bianco Latte too. Maybe my nose is different. I don't know. Bianco Latte, I need to spray Bianco Latte at least like several times. Some people say that you just need one spray. It's not the case for me. For me. We are talking about my skin. And with this one also, don't expect that it will be a beast mode. I don't know why everyone says that this is a beast mode. It's not like a body spray though. It's stronger. It's like a perfume. It's like a perfume version of a body spray. And I hate the package. I know that it's a clean shop and they are like promoting these clean products, clean style, but don't like it. But the scent, if you like caramel, just try this one. Just try it. I promise that you will fall in love with it. Don't just go and blind buy it. Just try it. I think it's a safe blind buy though, but I don't know. Okay, my darlings, thank you so much for watching. Leave me in the comments the perfumes that you've purchased recently and you are so proud of them. If you blind bought something, also leave it in the comments. And see you next time. Bye!